problem in Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So this is the formula for the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So the formula is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n into n square minus 1. So this is the problem statement, that is we have to calculate the Spearman's coefficient for the following data. So here two data are given, that is the first row is x variable and the second row is y variable. So this is the problem statement. We are going to find the Spearman's correlation coefficient for this data. So first we are going to define what is the formula for this data. So the formula differs based on the data in the problem. So if the data are repeated, we are going to substitute different formula. If the numbers are not repeated, we are going to use this formula. So that is this rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n into n square minus 1. If the one number is repeated in the same formula itself, we are going to include one more data, that is the m into n square minus 1 divided by 12. If the two data are given, again we are going to add another variable, that is the m into n square minus 1 divided by 2. So here no numbers are repeated, so I am going to use this formula. So first we are going to find what is the rank for the given problem. So this is the table. So in the first column I am going to write the x variables which is given in the question, and in the second column I am going to write the second data which is given in the question. Now I am going to find what is the rank for these two variables, that is the x and y. First I am going to define the rank for the x variables. So we have to find which is the greatest number. Here the greatest number is 30. So I am going to give the rank as 1 for the number 30. And I am next one going to know which is the second greatest number. So the second greatest number is 28. So I am going to give the rank as 2. And the third greatest number is 26. So the rank for the 26 is 3. And the next greatest number is 25. So I am going to give the rank 4 for the number 25. And the next the rank for the number 23 is 5. And the rank for 22 is 6. And the rank for 20 is 7. Then the rank for 17 is 9 and 19 is 8 and finally 15 is 10. This is the least number that is the given in the question. So the rank for the 15 is 10. The slide will say we are going to denote the rank for the y variable also. In the y variable the greatest number is 50. So I am going to give the first rank for the number 50. And next we are going to which is the second greatest number. So the second greatest number is 42. So the rank for the 48 is 2. Again the third greatest number is 45. So the rank for the 45 is 3. So next the fourth greatest number is 42. So the rank for 42 is 4. Then the fifth greatest number is 40. So this rank is 5. So similarly we are going to find the rank for the remaining also. So the sixth rank will goes for 38 and the seventh rank will goes for 35 and the eighth one for 33, ninth one for 30 and final one 10th one for 20. So the first step to define this problem is we are going to give the rank for the given data, that is the x and y. So next we are going to find the difference. So for the difference we are going to subtract both the value, that is the rank of x minus rank of y. So this is the value of rank of x and rank of y. We are going to subtract these two ones. So while subtracting these two, 10 minus 1 given answer is 9 and 8 minus 3 the answer is 5, 9 minus 2 the answer is 7, again 7 minus 5 2, 6 minus 7 minus 1 and 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 6 2 minus 2, 3 minus 8 minus 5, 2 minus 9 minus 7 and 1 minus 10, that is minus 10. So this is the d value. So in the formula they are asking for the d square. We found what is the value of d. So next we are going to define what is the d square. So d square means we are going to square the value that is which is present in the d value. So the first value in the d is 9. While squaring 9 and then answer is 81. And while squaring 5 25, 7 49, 2 4 minus 1 1. And again 1 squaring 1, minus 2 the whole square 4 and minus 5 the whole square 25, minus 7 the whole square 49 and finally minus 9 the whole square 81. So likewise we are going to calculate all the square values for the d, that is the value of d square. So in the formula they are asking for the summation d square. So summation means we are going to sum all those values which is present in this d square. While summing all those values I get an answer is 320. So the value of summation d square is 320. In the formula they are asking for the n value also. So n value means we have to count how many numbers which is present in the question. So in the question there are totally 10 numbers. So the n value is 10. Next we are going to substitute all those values in the formula. So the formula for the Spearman's rank correlation is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n into n square minus 1. So while substituting 1 minus 6, so the value of summation d square is 320 divided by, so the value of n is 10. So 10 into 10 square minus 1. on the whole problem we conclude that so there are two given data are given. So first we are defining what is the formula for this. So next we are going to calculate the rank for two data which is given in the question, that is the x variable as well as y variable. We define the rank for those. Next we found what is the value of d. So the formula is x minus 1, and at last we found what is the value of d square. So while summing all those values I get an answer for the summation d square, that is 320, and the end value is 10. So finally we